Hi everybody, my name is Cindy. Welcome back to my vlog. I actually read a book called The Spell Shop by Sarah Beth Dirsch on Monday. Totally forgot to record it, but it was a interesting read. Not my cup of tea, because I realize I'm not a cozy reader kind of person. I like to live on the edge with books. And then on Friday, I went back to the coffee shop that I went to last week and I got some reading done. I actually picked up Fahrenheit 451, but my heart was telling me just continue reading Queen of Shadows, and that's why I did it for like an hour. And it was nice to read Queen of Shadow, get to be in that universe. And I don't know why I keep delaying reading this book. Maybe because I'm trying to slowly enjoy this book like everyone online is trying to tell me you do. Just so happened I got an email from my library informing me that my Queen of Shadow book is not auto renewable and I have to return it. So here I am rushing to the library on Saturday morning to return this book so I don't get any fees or get in trouble with the library. Never been to this location of the library before, so I wandered inside and I was browsing the shelf, and to my luck, I found The Only One Left by Riley Sager. I told myself it's meant to be, so I checked it out and started reading it.
Let's see, moment of truth. Are you nervous with me or something? You look more
No,
nervous.
I know. I already know.
That child wants to know too, brother. That child is curious for me too. That child is curious for me too. Let's see, my first Labubu. My first and only Labubu. Oh my god!
She's peachy.
On Monday, I started listening to the audiobook version of Rose and Chain by Julie Soto. I was able to listen to 15 hours of it on Spotify because it was included in my Spotify Premium. Hi guys, I got mail in yesterday and I want to open up. I'm excited. Hi guys, happy Friday. Something came in the mail. Okay, let's open this. Oh, right. I did that. Wow. Finish. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.